Welcome back, Forex traders, to another TradingView tutorial series. Today we are going to show you the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies menu. Check out our mouse at the top of the chart here. We can click this, and just like that, our Indicators menu opens up. From here, we can select an indicator and apply it to our chart. We can go through all of the options available to us, or we can use the search box up here to find exactly what we're looking for. So if you notice, we type in moving average, and now we see all of the indicators available to us. And if we keep scrolling down, we'll even see community scripts. These are scripts that are coded by traders and investors from around the world. They've provided their own unique take on the term moving average. But for now, let us just add a simple moving average to our chart. All we have to do is click it, and the moving average appears on our chart just like that. Once you have an indicator on your chart, you can customize this to your exact needs and specifications. There are a number of ways to do this. For starters, you will see SMA, that means simple moving average, or the indicator of your choice to the top left. You can hide it or show it. You can also open up the settings menu from right here. There's a settings wheel which you can click, and now here are the settings. And once we have the settings open, well, we can do things like create a chart that is perfect to our design needs. In this case, why don't we use blue? We can also change the inputs. So if we wanted to have a 50-day moving average, it's a daily chart. 50 is the length. Click OK. And now we've created a 50-day moving average as a blue line, perfect to our needs. Few more quick things here is you can actually open up the source code as well, and the source code means that every indicator on TradingView is coded in PineScript. PineScript is a proprietary language made by the TradingView platform that gives you full transparency into every indicator and gives you the capability to make and code your own indicator. That's right, what you see right here is the code behind the simple moving average that we have on our chart. You have complete transparency to fact check this. You could even make your own, or you could provide edits, anything of the sort, right from this Pine editor here. So this is the basics of the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies menu, but we want to remind you of a few more really important details before we wrap this video up. Remember, you can favorite your favorite technicals by just clicking this star icon here, and you can unclick it to remove them. And when you favorite these specific indicators, you'll notice that what you're doing is creating your own custom favorites menu that you can access at any point in time. This menu saves to your profile and will always be here every single time you come back so that you can add the indicators you care about most to your chart. In addition, you may notice you can have more than one indicator on your chart. Of course, that depends on your needs, your styles, and what type of plan that you have, but nonetheless, you can just click just to add these indicators to your chart, and just like that, we now have multiple indicators. We have a simple moving average, a super trend, gaps, and down here 24-hour volume. A few more quick and final things about the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies menu is in technicals, you want to make sure you know that there are submenus here for different tools. So we showed you indicators, there's also strategies. There's volume profiles for studying the unique relationship between volume and price and diving deep into that data. And there are also automatic chart patterns, this patterns button. This means that the TradingView platform will automatically detect these traditional patterns in technical analysis and show them on your chart. There is, in addition, automatic candlestick patterns. That means that the TradingView platform will look for specific candlestick patterns on your chart and show them to you in real time, fully automatic. The detection happens in near real time once you click it. For example, we have added automatic candlestick patterns, and you can see these labels here that have appeared, and you can hover your mouse over the labels to see what each candlestick means and exactly what's going on in terms of that candlestick and the price action and the history behind it. So thanks so much for watching. We hope this video gets you started with the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies menu. The best way to dive in is just to use the search box or to start clicking around and add some indicators to your chart. We look forward to hearing your feedback and seeing how you get started.